A GoPro?
Yeah. So,
And
like...
you can strap it on something, and then they can see where you're doing. Or your chest. Is that what you're trying to say?
No, like we could do it from different angles. We could
Oh,
catch you
yeah.
riding from different angles.
I would do that, but I don't want nobody that... I don't want me... you're fine. But me, myself, I'll probably end up running my phone over with the dirt bike, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, we're out here. We're finna ride the fool in the dirt bike. I got the helmet on because I'm riding a little mini pit bike for me. I'm gonna have to kickstart this thing. Oh, the key's not even on, taking the freaking party. He's riding. I'm riding. I was riding with one hand. I almost fell though. Whoa, don't go in the ditch. Oh, that's a big one. I'm on a dirt bike, I'm on a pit bike, so I cannot hurt the dog in any way. He's over there doing fucking donuts or something. I can't look, I'm just holding the camera like that. I'm riding with one hand right now, I'm gonna die. Oh god, I need to take this helmet off. Big ass fucking helmet. And he just like, god damn. Oh god, I'm gonna have to get this. I had to go slow, I didn't want to die. What are we? What the fuck? Where did you go? Where the hell did he go, bro? I got lost. Bro, that was confusing. I think I'm he like teleported some shit. And then he's just, oh, I'm about to die, bro. He's fucking in there or something. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, God. Normally I don't ride with my legs all up on it like that because I have both hands, but now I have one hand, so I gotta balance it with my legs. Y'all finna get him recording me. Keep reminded I do not have his glasses on or a visor, and I'm getting dust and rocks all in my eyes. Oh, that exhaust pipe is hot. Okay. I'm gonna record him driving a little bit, and he's gonna record me, so y'all gonna see. Okay, so we were riding, right? And I was recording, and I stopped recording, and I put my phone in my pocket, but I guess I didn't put it good enough. The hose slipped out. I felt it. I heard it hit the ground. I felt my pocket. There wasn't nothing there, so I was like, oh my God, I dropped my phone. I looked back. I started shaking on the dirt bike, and then I slid out, and got a cut on my arm. My legs is all red and stuff. Can't really find any injuries, but it wasn't that bad. I did burn my leg on the exhaust, but yeah. How you feel about that? Okay, you're gay. Anyways, yeah. So I'm not gonna be recording with my phone anymore while I'm riding, unless I'm riding the four-wheeler, because I can easily record and drive that. Because it's got 4 wheels. So yeah. Stop being retarded, bro. I'm gonna eat your booty hole. What?